back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, you are so welcome. Well, if you've been on my channel since day one, you are so definitely welcome. So as you guys can see by today's title, I will be doing a DIY body lover. I've seen a lot of people actually trying this out, so I decided, you know what, let me actually try it myself as well and see if it will actually work. I haven't tried it. This is actually the first time I'm trying it with you guys. So for this DIY, these are the products you'll need. Firstly, you need oil. Not any oil. It has to be like body oil. This is coconut oil. I just put it in here. Reason being is because I need the squeeze. I need to like spray it on my body. And this is highlighter. I bought this highlighter from my local beauty supply store. Like guys, you can see like this thing shines, but I've barely used a lot of it. Got this for like, oh, the oil, I think you can get it for like approximately maybe $5 to $8 at your local beauty supply store. And then this I got for $3.99, so you can use this on your skin as well. So let us start. So we're just gonna take this out. Need to just put it somewhere here. Okay, so now with the highlighter, you need something to obviously scrape this out with. So I'm gonna use my nail clipper, the end of the nail. Make sure it's sterilized, guys, nah? And I'm just gonna, breaks my heart seeing me do this to my products though, even though, guys. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna take that much. Need to multitask here. Then you're gonna pour it in. I want you guys to like see, like it's very light though, so
and don't be standing in front of your friends, you know I'm not into that. Don't need to hide, don't even try. You could be mine, oh.
A little bit more product to it because I'm not really satisfied with the amount of product I've put in it. So use the whole highlighter, guys. Girl, it's up to you. It's your money. You bought it, so do what you got to do. So I'm still scraping out a little bit more highlighter, as you can see over there. So I'm just gonna add the remaining bit of it. Shaking. Oh guys, my arms hurt. Oh guys, oh my word, like look at that glow, guys. Like just look at that. So testing 1 2 1 2. Okay, this is what I don't like all this. Guys, the oil. Oh my god, I don't know why I didn't see why I said we're going to like DIY this and like try it for ourselves. I'm definitely gonna go outside and see how this actually works, if it's really gonna make my skin glow properly. If I feel, guys, I don't really like see a glow, I just see oil. This is not, especially if I'm gonna wear a white shirt over this, it's really not gonna work. So what you can do, take a little bit of the highlighter. Oh guys, look at that. Oh, highlight, and then I feel like you can just add extra to it. Guys, this thing is not even, oh my god, what am I doing? I think I just need to order some Riri. I think I sprayed too much initially. Okay, so now we're gonna go out in the sun and see how this is going to work. Okay guys, so here, this is how it looks. Like, can you see? It glows. Actually, it did work, but not as well as I anticipated. Ooh, I gotta catch up breath. Oh my god. Whew. I had to run up the stairs. Oh jeez. I feel like it's just oil than anything else in here. This is a fraud. I need me some real Riri. So next we're gonna try the Born to Glow NYX Liquid Illuminator, and this is in the shade Gleam. So you're gonna take just a little bit because this really does, oh god, it just silenced me. I think that's enough. I like to use my hands, so I'm just gonna take my hands, put that all over. Ooh, I like how guys, like this thing really does. I feel like it's better than what I made. Like the dupe I made was just a mess. Ooh, like you can see the glow properly. Okay, I need to I like these parts to glow the most because I've got such skinny bones. So I like my bones to glow. I feel like I'm Picasso. I feel like Leonardo da Vinci and I'm my own Mona Lisa. Woo, girl. Guys, I'm just too much. I could always have something stupid to say. I'm painting my own Mona Lisa up here, so they'll better respect. Oh, guys, this is perfect. I feel like the glow it's given me is more than what I made. So now, testing 1 2 1 2. Gonna go outside. Wait. I feel like this is just. Can you guys see? Like it's not fully. You can see patches. Now imagine if I can see patches. What are you guys seeing that side? Like you're seeing more than patches, y'all. Now I feel like it's evenly spread out. I think it's because I've got too much product on my hand. Yo guys, can you see that glow though in my hands? May your future glow like that, ladies. May you glow like that glow. Can you see? There's like way too much product on my hand. I think that's why they have a brush for this. Why didn't I decide to use my brush? You know, it's fine. I feel like the brush is taking up product. Okay, this one really worked, guys. Yeah, should it? Get it. Should it? Get it. Should it? My eyelash, guys. Can you even see from the shadow? It's fada. Like the glow is perfect over here. Like it's, oh my god, guys. Like this is perfect. So I definitely use this. Ooh. Okay, so we're back. I hope you guys saw the difference. I feel like the NYX Born to Glow definitely worked better than this DIY. The DIY really looked good as well. I feel like if you're going to the beach and you really want that glow, like a body oil type of thing, I think this would work really, really well because it still has the highlighter and you still get a glow, but you won't get the glow that you're looking for. So the DIY failed. This came through, so I definitely think I'll be using this more. I normally use this I mix it with my foundation on my skin, but I feel like this will definitely also work really, really well as your body lava. But obviously you just need to use a little bit. Don't use as much as I use, guys, please. Okay. Oh, and I'll definitely be putting up a poll on my Instagram, so I'll definitely leave my handle somewhere here, here, or here. So just be on the lookout to where I'm gonna leave my handle. You guys can definitely follow me on the gram and I'll be definitely following you back. Till next time, lovies.